day 3 off to Tekapo. Yeah boy, day 3, another bluebird of a day, hurler. We just had a quick spa, got a big ride on today, I think 5 hours riding time, so we're making sure we're all hydrated and we'll be on the road early, I think 7 o'clock.
Apparently the rain's coming in tonight, eh?
We've got our rain gears. I'll go jump on Cyrus now, wake him up. Wakey, hand off Snakey.
Yeah, I'm fucking
Wake up.
Bro. It's like 5 in the morning.
Gee, we've got 40 minutes.
I'm on holiday.
50 minutes, bro. Get up. It's a mint day. It's a bluebird. Wow, that's the fastest I've seen you move this trip. It was Kane's idea, bro. I'll go jump on Cyrus now, wake him up. It was Kane's idea, bro.
Day 3.
Come on, bro. You gotta look more enthusiastic than that.
I'm just getting the sleep out of my eyes. We're gonna head to Lake Tekapo. It's gonna be a cloudy day. We're going to go into torrential storms, but it's all okay because we're gonna be on 2 wheels.
I think he's sleep talking, G.
Yeah, he is sleep talking.
Alright, we're gonna do the draw for the giveaway from the last episode. Thanks again to everyone that had entered. I've got it up on the computer. Without further ado, drum roll please. Bam! That's our winner. Congratulations. If you guys want to support the channel and cop some merch, you can find our link to our online shop down below, or you can find it in our description.
Day 3, baby. GoPro there, and you had the wide angle. That'll be cool. Eh?
Oh, you're gonna put it on there, yeah. Have that on there,
I'm
and
sick
then
of fucking having to turn it
yeah.
on my helmet and shit.
Yeah, it's actually the stability is pretty good too, eh?
Is it? Well, the 13s have that anti-vibration, eh? How do you do this? Oh, you don't have to take the case off, eh?
Yeah, just to screw it in.
Day 3, baby. We're heading to Lake Tekapo. It's about a 5-hour trip there. It looks like the weather's gonna pack in tonight, so it's unfortunate it's not gonna be a nice bluebird day in Lake Tekapo, but oh well, it's all part of it.
What a stunning morning in Kaikōura. While we wait for this green light, here's some drone shots I got on the road last time I was in Kaikōura.
So we've just pulled over for brekkie. We're at the Harris Farms Bakery. Beautiful blue sky morning.
They have those clean mirrors too.
Right, here we go, lads. Harris Farms pie review. We've got the steak and mushroom. It's like good pastry. Steak's good, eh?
Better than the Aussie
Paul.
pies.
Paul's Park. What have you got?
Steak and cheese.
Good pie?
Yeah, bro. Fuck yeah. I think it's more like pulled, eh? It's like not chunks, it's like pulled.
Yeah, steak and cheese.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, it's mean.
I give it a 9 out of 10.
Pulled the main fuse. These Gen 2 bikes have a bit of tedious problems with not turning on and shit, so we just pulled the main fuse, reset the ECM and shit, good to go.
We've just touched down in Christchurch. It's 24 degrees. We've just filled up the bikes before we head to Lake Tekapo. Check these bikes out. We've got the FXR-T fairing. It's a twin cam. And then we've got a soft tail with the FXR-P. What one do you guys like? This one's got the fog lights. This one's got the vents. Bad, eh, G? quick pit stop and refill on the hogs. We haven't eaten anything but that pie this morning. There's a little setup I got some bintang there. On the go, lad. We're about 30 minutes to our accommodation. Just made it to Lake Tekapo and she looks unreal. Look at that. She's a bit cloudy, but at least she's not raining. The rain's meant to come tonight, and looks like it's raining tomorrow, so we'll be in our wet weather gears tomorrow, but pretty stoked to be here. Woo! We'll get the drone up now and you guys can enjoy that.
Don't land on them, but like, they're right next to them. Huh?
That's a good idea, though.
Yeah. That's it.
Bull. Oh, yeah. Bull tong.
Can I have some? Have a look.
Oh, look. Fuck, now that'll be a cool shot, though, in the tree.
Oh, hey bro. Oh, welcome. This is our accommodation for Lake Tekapo. Come through, come through. As you can see, oh, sorry. You've got the wash house. Through here, you've got a beautiful open kitchen. Scullery back there, you know. And then we've got a beautiful lounge / dining that opens out to the Lake Tekapo. And in the backdrop you can see some scenic mountains. Then through here we've got the master room.
Cheer Funday.
Over there we've got a pussy toad. And then through and then through here we've got the master ensuite. As you can see, nice black shower, big, beautiful.
Welcome to Rolling Straight Walk Around.
And then through here you got the wharepaku. And then we've got 2 sinkholes here. Not bad, not bad. This house on the market's going for 6 mil. You're more or less paying for the view and the bathtub. If if you follow me, we've got another double bed room with a view that opens out to the lounge. Sorry, it doesn't open out, but the curtains open out to it. And then if you come down here, we've got the games room. Through here is the garage. We've got hockey, we've got flatty, and we've got the football table. Through here we've got a little studio room equipped with a washing machine, double bed, nice little furry couch, and the ensuite. Nice, big, spacious bathroom. And then through here you've got the toys. How good! And with this house, you got on-site masseuse that come here. They actually sleep in the garage, and yeah, you just buzz them and they come to the room, and yeah, they get you rolling straight.
So we've got massages booked. Chase and Cyrus have got their massages booked. They were for 5:45, so they've still got about another 45 minutes left. So I'm gonna head on down there. Catch him in the act. Testing it out.
The bro's in his wet weathers.
A flat tire on the Road King. We're in Queenstown.